I welcome you back to the lesson. Today we are going to discuss the importance of customer feedback. The subject is marketing and communication. Importance of customer feedback. Now, in any market, candidates, particularly in 2026, any country today in 2026, we are living in a highly digitized environment, and given that the environment is highly digitized, customers' choices are abundant. And given that customers' choices are abundant, customer feedback is no longer just a nice to have report. Previously, it was just good to have a nice report on the feedback of customers. Today, customer feedback is what I may call a strategic compass for any business. That is to mean that customer feedback represents the voice of the customer, and it serves as the bridge between what you as a seller, what you think you are selling. It represents what you as a seller thinks you are selling and what the customer actually experiences. That is feedback for you. You may think you are selling a highly acceptable product to your customers or a product of high quality. That's what you may think. But your customers may have another story altogether. And that's why customer feedback becomes very important. Because if you don't pay attention to what customers are saying, if you ignore the voice of the customers have alternatives. The environment is highly digitized and there is competition, neck-to-neck competition. If you don't listen to the feedback and improve on your products or services, then they are likely to switch to your competition. So in this lesson, we discuss the importance of customer feedback. Importance of customer feedback. Number one is that customer feedback can drive products and service empowerment. Customer feedback drives product or service empowerment. What does that mean? Empowerment or improvement. The appropriate word here is improvement. Drives product or service improvement. The correct word here is improvement. Drives product or service improvement. Understand? Yes. Because no matter how much you research, you can go to Google, you can go to ChatGPT, you can go to anywhere you research, you cannot see your product's flaws. You cannot go to Google and ask Google to give you the flaws within your product or service. No matter how much you research, you may not be able to know the flaws in your service or products until a real customer uses your product in their daily life. That is when you get the right. And that feedback identifies the bugs and the redundant steps in a process. It gives you the missing features and so on. You understand? Yes. So customer feedback is a driver for product improvement. You can only improve your product. One way to improve your product is by getting feedback from the customer. those who use the product on a daily basis. That's the first reason. The second reason why customer feedback is important is it measures customer satisfaction. Measures customer feedback is a measure of customer satisfaction. We defined customer satisfaction before we began this lesson as a measure of how a product meets or surpasses a customer's expectation. Understand? That's the meaning of customer satisfaction. It is a feeling that the customer gets after the purchase or the transaction. And you can measure that satisfaction through customer feedback. You can't tell whether the customer is happy or not until you get feedback. Feedback provides a clear metric to see if you are meeting, exceeding, or failing customers' expectations. And we may use tools like the Net Promoter Score, which allows you to bucket customers into promoters, passives, or detractors. So customers can be categorized into three. We have the promoters. These are loyal fans or loyal customers who will refer others. Then through this feedback, you can also have passives. Passives are those who are satisfied but could easily switch to a competitor. Then the third category is the detractors. These are the unhappy customers at the risk of leaving. So these metrics are made available only through customer feedback, measures customer satisfaction. The other reason why customer feedback is important, number three, is it enhances customer retention. It can help enhance customer feedback and enhance customer retention and loyalty. How is that possible? Now, when you ask for feedback, and more importantly, act on that feedback, the customer feels valued. And that builds what we call emotional connection that goes beyond the simple transaction. If a customer complains about cold food and you respond with an apology, and you don't stop at an apology, you offer a discount on their next meal, you often turn a detractor into a promoter. This is known as the service recovery paradox. It's known as the service recovery paradox. That is the third reason why customer feedback is important. Number four, customer feedback can also inform better business decisions. Can inform better business decisions. Can inform better business decisions. Marketing and product development are very expensive. Marketing, very expensive. Product development, very expensive. Feedback ensures you are spending your budget on things that customers actually want. Because if you don't get feedback and you develop products or services that are not needed by customers, you may go at a loss. But you can use customer feedback to develop or to make decisions like developing different products, changing features, and so on. Instead of launching a new flavor, for example, of juice because the CEO likes it, you launch it because 70% of your surveyed customers requested it. That's a good example. You develop a juice based on feedback, because that juice is likely to be accepted because you are building it, or you are developing it for a specific customers who need it. The fifth reason why customer feedback is important is that it generates social proof. Generates social proof or reviews. You get reviews through feedback. Customer feedback generates social review, social proof. In the digital age, feedback is a form of online reviews. In the form of online reviews, digital feedback in form of online reviews is your most powerful marketing tool. Is the most powerful marketing tool. Research has shown that 93% of customers read reviews before making a purchase. That is all for today's lesson on importance of customer feedback. 5 reasons why customer feedback is important. Reason number 1, it can drive product or service improvement. Driving product or service improvement means it can cause a company. It can be a reason why a company improves a product. Number 2, measures customer satisfaction. 3, enhances customer retention and loyalty. 4, improves or informs better business decisions. It also generates social proof or reviews. And we've said 93% of people who are online, they go to read reviews before making a purchase. So to be effective candidates, feedback must follow a continuous cycle. You ask for thoughts via WhatsApp, surveys, or reviews. Then you analyze the feedback. You look for common themes, like everyone says delivery is slow, the food is cold. Get the feedback, get the common thoughts, the common themes. Then you act on it by fixing the issues or implementing the suggestions. Then you communicate. Tell the customer, we heard you, we fixed the issue. So it has to take that cycle. We call it the customer feedback loop. Customer feedback loop. Customer feedback loop. Customer feedback loop. You first ask for feedback. You collect the feedback. Analyze it. Analyze. Ask or collect feedback. Analyze the feedback. Act on the feedback. You act on it. Solve the problem. Then communicate. Tell the customers, we heard you, we fixed the problem. It has to take that loop. Then again, after you've done that, you can ask, is there any problem with the product or service? Yes or no? If no, what is the issue? Analyze the issue, fix it. Then communicate. So that's what we are calling the customer feedback loop. And that's all for today's lesson on importance of customer feedback. Bye-bye. Bye.